Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be tackling the grout. I have done the grout in my, the kids' bathroom when I did the whole big spring clean in there, and I really need to do the kitchen and my bathroom too. But I'm gonna be doing it two different ways. So I saw on TikTok that somebody just used this to clean it, but before I did some thieves and some baking soda and just like some warm water and made a paste. So I have two grout brushes that I got from Target a while back. So I'm going to be just trying both and we're gonna see which one works better. So I'll show you the grout before. It is not pretty. It's dirty and dingy, and just like in the high traffic areas, it's just so gross. So we're gonna see which one works better. Obviously, the thieves and the baking soda is a more natural approach, which is more my speed, but I do wanna try the toilet bowl cleaner to see how well that works as well, because it's not something that I do all the time. It only needs to be done maybe once or twice a year, so if I have to use the toilet bowl cleaner on it, I'm okay. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. All right, so you could really see like right here how dirty the grout is. It's like, so this is like under the table. It doesn't get used that much and it's fine. There's a few little spots on it, but it's not dirty like over here. It's just high traffic areas. So we are going to get started and see which one works better.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night.
Okay, I'm not even bothering with the thieves and baking soda because the toilet bowl cleaner worked so well. So I've done all over here and you can already see how bright it is. I have it sitting here, so I just line it in this way and I'm working my way all the way over here, and then I'll do back this way. I stopped at that paper towel holder. Then I'll do all over here and then just work my way over here. But I've only been at this for like 10 minutes and this is much quicker and it works really, really well.
Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over.
Update, although this works really well, I think I bleached some of the tiles. But I'm not sure. Let me show you. See, like right there? That is definitely some bleach. That I don't think is, because I haven't done over here yet. And there's spots like there and all of that. So I don't know if it's just in the tiles, but I have definitely not done anything over here yet, and that's there. So I don't know, but that to me looks like total bleach, like stains. So, I don't know. I think I just left it on too long. I need to work quicker. I think that's the problem. So, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I definitely think that's some bleach. Whoopsies. All right, well, I don't know. I didn't mess up the floor because they're already like marbly anyway, but I don't know. Over here was done with the Clorox, and over here was done with the baking soda and Thieves. So like, if you look, that tile there has like the same kind of line around it, and I didn't use any bleach over there, and I rinsed out the brush. So I have to get that one. I kind of missed this area here, but I don't know. I would say for sure if you have white tile, oh, that was weird. If you have white tile, for sure, go with the bleach. If you have like marbly kind of tile like I do, use extreme caution. So I'm gonna do in here next, and I feel like in here's a little bit lighter, so I'm definitely gonna do the Clorox in here, and I'm just gonna work really quickly. Bathroom looks a lot better. Just the light off. But still not, sorry, the sun is like beaming in there. I don't know, still not as good. See how dark it is still in here? I'm gonna go over it again, but I don't know. It does look a lot better, it's a lot lighter, but the kitchen is looking fantastic. Let me show you. It looks so much brighter in here now. It looks so good, and you can really see all the spots I missed. But in the spots that are over here that I did with the baking soda, you just have to kind of let them dry, and it will kind of be like a little bit filmy, but once it dries, just because it's the powder, I just vacuum it a couple of times and then mop it and then let it dry and then vacuum again maybe. I mean, it's not like terrible, but just a little bit. It looks so much brighter out here. It looks so good. Honestly, I mean, I don't know. I definitely think that one spot, that line right here is it. But I don't think over here, or maybe that one too. But I don't think this, or this, because I didn't get to any of that. So I think that's just like the marbling, yeah, because it's there too. So I think some of it is, but you really can't tell. It's like all blends in, but. Whoops, but like I said, you can't really tell, it's fine. And now it's extra clean. So those are the two ways. Do whatever one works best for you. I do think the Clorox works better. And it's not that it works better because it still looks really white and shiny and good where I did the baking soda. It's just a lot more like elbow grease and a lot more work and a lot more steps because you have to vacuum it, you have to mop it. I mean, you have to mop after you do the Clorox too, but it's just, if you do the Clorox, it definitely work quickly. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Something definitely you might want to tackle in your house is the grout. I know it's like one of those things that's like so time consuming and so tedious, but it's worth it and it really, really, really brightens up the room. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.